And here is the Chinese humanoid robot PM01, presented by the company Shenzhen Robotics, which has already found a job as a police officer at a local police station. Now this local Terminator will patrol the streets, and in case of violations, detain criminals. PM01 is designed for commercial and educational purposes. It can perform complex movements thanks to a 320-degree waist rotation, allowing it to adapt to various tasks and scenarios. Its height is 138 centimeters, and its weight is approximately 40 kilograms. The robot features both mechanical and anthropomorphic walking, ensuring natural movements. PM01 is equipped with an interactive screen inspired by the control interface from Iron Man, providing intuitive user interaction with it. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you feel about robotic police officers like this? Recently, the Chinese company Robotic demonstrated new capabilities of its humanoid robot named Star 1. In a demonstration video, the robot independently used chopsticks, becoming the first humanoid robot to master this skill. It also managed to open and pour wine and then clink glasses, mimicking human movements. Additionally, Star 1 showcased its cooking abilities. It can make dumplings and steam baijiu buns. These skills are made possible by its 7-axis bionic arms and 12-axis hands, which enable precise and smooth movements. This robot, equipped with 55 degrees of freedom and standing at 171 centimeters tall, previously set a speed record for bipedal robotic machines, reaching 3.6 meters per second. However, its new achievements in hand motor skills open up possibilities for use in the service industry, cooking, and even social interaction with humans. After a long absence, the Canadian company Sanctuary AI has once again presented its humanoid robot Phoenix, this time equipped with the latest tactile sensors. These advanced sensors provide the robot with a sense of touch, allowing it to perform complex tasks that require high precision and accuracy. With the integration of tactile sensors, operators can effectively control the robot in telepresence mode. Phoenix stands at 170 centimeters, weighs 70 kilograms, and can lift loads of up to 25 kilograms. This robot is equipped with the innovative artificial intelligence control system Carbon, designed to handle a wide range of tasks similar to human capabilities. Its hands have 20 degrees of freedom, and the Carbon system enables the use of modern artificial intelligence algorithms to translate natural language commands into real actions. This allows the robot to adapt to different working conditions and perform various tasks. The highly publicized robotic doll Aria, developed by Robotic's company, has taken on a new role as a host. This ultra-realistic robot closely resembles a human and possesses a range of features that make it a potential replacement for real women for all lonely men. This model cost $175,000 and is capable of moving its limbs and rotating on a circular platform, much like a mannequin riding on a Roomba vacuum cleaner. Aria is not just an adult toy, it can engage in more intimate conversations. Aria's eyes are not merely cosmetic decorations, they contain hidden cameras used for visual recognition, meaning the robot can identify the person it is speaking with and recognize objects within its field of view. For example, it can notice that you are eating an apple and ask how it tastes. And if you grow tired of Aria's appearance and want to change, you do not need to purchase an entirely new robotic machine, you can simply replace its face. The realistic skin on its face can be magnetically detached and swapped for a new look. Aria is far from the only robot designed to replace women for lonely men. Chinese engineers are also actively developing a new generation of ultra-realistic robotic women. The Chinese company RZR Doll has introduced a new line of robots, promising a revolution in human-machine integration. This line is unique in that it is almost indistinguishable from real people. They are made of high-quality silicone, providing a realistic skin texture. The robot's foundation consists of a metal frame, allowing it to assume various poses, as well as meticulously crafted facial features and body structure for maximum realism. Thanks to integrated artificial intelligence, these robots can serve as excellent companions and conversation partners. The cost of these robots varies depending on the model, level of detail, and additional options. The average price ranges from $2,000 to $5,000. The California-based robotics company Figure has introduced the universal control system Helix for robotic humanoids. This is a two-level neural network algorithm that connects visual perception and language understanding with the robot's actions. Under Helix's control, robots can manipulate almost any objects using simple voice commands, even if they have never encountered them before. Additionally, Figure has further refined the model for sorting parcels on a conveyor, allowing the robots to surpass human operators in speed. The humanoid robot Figure 02 stands at 167 centimeters tall and weighs 70 kilograms. It can move at a speed of up to 1.2 meters per second and lift objects weighing up to 20 kilograms. Its autonomous operating time lasts several hours due to an energy-efficient power system. The robot is equipped with cameras, sensors, and a machine learning system, enabling it to adapt to its surroundings and perform a wide range of tasks, from industrial work to household services. The American company Ghost Robotics has entered the race to create combat robotic dogs capable of shooting. The company conducted tests of its robotic dog Vision 60, where the robot successfully handled target shooting. Now Vision 60 is set to compete with similar quadrupedal forces from China. Vision 60 is a four-legged unmanned ground platform designed to perform various tasks in challenging environments. It can carry loads of up to 10 kilograms and navigate rough terrain, including wading through water obstacles. This robot is also actively tested by various armed forces. For example, the British Army has conducted trials with this robotic machine, demonstrating the growing interest in using such platforms for military purposes. Thus, the robotic dog Vision 60 represents a multifunctional platform capable of performing a wide range of tasks, thanks to its modular design and integration with various systems. Now, with its newly acquired ability to shoot, this robot is becoming a serious firepower asset on the battlefield. Scientists from the Institute of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence put on an impressive show where two robotic dogs performed the tango. The show featured quadrupedal robots from the company Boston Dynamics, equipped with advanced stabilization systems and machine learning algorithms. They not only moved in sync with the music, but also responded to each other, coordinating their steps just like real dancers. By utilizing artificial intelligence algorithms, the robots analyzed the rhythm and tempo of the melody in real time, adjusting their movements and adapting to their partner. Additionally, the robotic dogs were equipped with manipulators capable of grasping objects and interacting with their environment. They can not only lift small loads, but also skillfully juggle or even support each other during complex dance elements. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.